In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz on Wix. Whether you're a teacher, a business owner, or just someone who wants to engage your audience, adding a quiz to your website can be a fantastic way to make your content more interactive. Quizzes can help you collect feedback, test knowledge, or even just entertain your visitors. And the best part, it's simple and straightforward. Today, we'll walk step by step through the process, from creating the quiz in Google Forms to embedding it seamlessly on your Wix site. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open Google Forms. This is where we'll create the quiz that you'll later embed into your Wix website. If you haven't used Google Forms before, don't worry. It's user-friendly and perfect for creating quizzes of all types. Once you're in Google Forms, look for the option to create a new form. Specifically, you'll want to select the option labeled Blank Quiz. This template is pre-configured for quizzes, so you don't have to do much setup. Next, you'll want to give your quiz a name. Click on the title field at the top of the form and type in a name that reflects the purpose of your quiz. For example, if it's a customer feedback quiz, name it accordingly. This title will not only help you stay organized, but will also be visible to your audience, so make sure it's clear and inviting. Now, it's time to add your questions. Click into the section where you can input questions and answers. You can choose from various formats like multiple choice, short answer, or even true or false. Think about the purpose of your quiz as you create the questions. If it's for knowledge testing, you might want to include multiple choice questions with one correct answer. If it's for feedback, short answer questions can be more appropriate. As you work, don't forget to adjust the settings for each question, like marking correct answers or assigning point values. Once the quiz is set up, navigate to the Responses tab here. You can configure how you want to collect and review submissions. For example, you can link your responses to a Google Sheet for easy tracking. You can also enable notifications so you're alerted each time someone submits a quiz. This step ensures you're able to manage the responses efficiently and stay on top of the information your quiz collects. Next, head over to the Settings tab to fine-tune your quiz options. Here, you can decide whether to allow multiple submissions, collect email addresses, or restrict access to certain users. Adjust these settings based on your needs. For instance, if this is a one-time quiz, you might want to disable multiple submissions. When your quiz is ready, click Publish. This finalizes your quiz and makes it shareable. Now click the three dots in the top right corner of the Settings menu and select the Embed HTML option. This will provide you with the code you need to place the quiz on your Wix website. Click Copy to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now it's time to switch to Wix. Open your Wix website in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to open the list of elements you can add to your site. Scroll down until you find the Embed Code option and select it. From the list of choices, choose Embed HTML. A new window will pop up, allowing you to paste the embed code. Simply paste the code you copied from Google Forms into this window. Take a moment to double-check that the code has been pasted correctly. Errors in the code could prevent the quiz from displaying properly, so this step is important. Finally, click the Update button to save your changes. This will place the quiz on your Wix site. You can drag and resize the quiz element to fit perfectly into your page layout. Once you're happy with how it looks, preview your site to ensure everything is working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully added a quiz to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.